Hey everybody, Steve from Internet City Computers Detroit here with another tip for you. Have you ever had an external hard drive or a flash drive or just an internal hard drive that wasn't acting right and you wanted to see if you could return it to like factory specs? Well, I'm going to show you how with this one right here. This one has a couple of issues, nothing major, but we're going to clean the drive is what they call it and send it back to factory specs so we can reuse it again. Come on over here and join us and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so here's how you can try to attempt to get a hard drive back to factory condition. We're going to open up disk management and see which disk it is. There it is, disk 2. So we just need that for reference because now we're going to open up a command prompt. So we're going to type CMD in the search box at the bottom of the window, and we're going to run command as administrator. Once we get the command prompt opened up, we're going to type in DiskPart, all one word. It's DiskPart, and then we're going to hit enter. And it's going to take us into the DiskPart. Now we have to select the disk. So we're going to type out select disk 2. And then once disk 2 is selected, we're going to type in clean. And clean is going to erase all the partitions and return the drive back to factory. So it's not even recognizable at this point. So first we have to initialize this disk. GPT is fine. Once we initialize the disk, then we're going to have to format it. So we're going to format it. We're going to rename this disk so we know what it is. It's an external hard drive. It's a blue Western Digital. So we're just going to type in blue external. Click next. Let it format. It takes a few seconds. Once it's formatted, it's going to open up a new window and show you that you have an empty drive. And voila, there you go. You just cleaned the drive, has no partitions, one partition, and it's ready to use for storage or whatever else you want. Okay, so there you have it. If you find that tip helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, come back for more Fix It Right. Now, this won't cure a drive that's dying, okay? Only if it has issues reading the partitions, maybe. There's some other repairs you can do on these drives to repair them before you repartition them or clean them. So hang with us and look for future videos on how to do all that. Until then, adios.